And beyond the call of duty, rescuing 2 dogs from a burning home. KXLY4's Alyssa Donovan working for you tonight. She tracked down that deputy.
Nadine, the deputy was on his lunch break when he drove past and saw smoke coming out of that vent.
Just a little bit of tan smoke coming out, and I thought it was weird.
Deputy Andy Nye saw there was a car in the driveway. He thought maybe someone was home, so he got out to search around the house. That's when he found a fully engulfed fire burning up the back part of the home.
And I told our central dispatch over the radio that there was a house fire, and I ran back to the front of the house.
And then he noticed something else.
I saw the 2 dogs barking at the front window right by the front door. Without even thinking, I got permission to kick the front door to save the dogs, and with one kick, I kicked open the front door and had to actually go in to get the dogs.
I still cannot thank you enough. I really can't.
When Robin Broche heard her house was on fire, she could only think of one thing.
Where's my dogs? Because my dogs I know my dogs were the only ones that were here.
After Deputy Nye rescued the dogs, he searched the house. Turned out no one was inside. The fire was caused by a heat lamp in a chicken coop sitting on the deck. The fire inspector says this is a common problem for this time of year.
In Kootenai County, we probably have 8 to 10 of these a year that occur when all the stores are selling the baby chickens around Easter time and you know, sometime early first part of the year.
But her 2 puppies cannot be.
I'm so thankful. I mean, I owe him big time. I'm indebted.
Now, while the home was not a total loss, you can tell that it is uninhabitable right now. So the family will be living in a rental home for about 4 months. Reporting in Hayden, Idaho, Alyssa Donovan, KXLY4 News.